Hey everybody, it's Scott Smith from Southern California. Look what we have got here, a SAKHIR orange M4 coupe. This thing is set up. As you can tell right away, we've got the nice ceramic brakes on it. This particular one does have the double clutch transmission and the M adaptive suspension, and not much more over the base car. Definitely the person that ordered this was thinking about purely fun factor driving handling. I think it's got a sticker around 80,000. It's being picked up very soon, so I thought I gotta shoot this right now. I know it's nighttime outside and I didn't want to miss this, especially with this paint job, because I don't know when the next one's gonna show up. But I thought, let me swing around to the back, get you a nice little exhaust note while it's sitting and idling. Man, what a color. You can check out here, it's got the 19-inch, but there's your good old ceramic brakes. I think it's about a $9,000 option on these cars. And you know the signature roof with an M4 carbon fiber. Hey Moore, can you do the hood for me? Let's pop open the hood. Let's go on and see the artwork underneath the hood here. Thanks, buddy. Got your signature carbon fiber. You got 425 horsepower, 406 in torque. You know the magazines have gotten this to 3.90 to 60. Alright, let's close it up. And I'm shooting this video with a Galaxy Note 4, just in case you're wondering. HD. One thing I do love is these mirrors, which, you know, M-Series has been known for the mirrors and the design they do. It's kind of a signature look. I'll get to the interior in just a second. Definitely like the orange. You know, we've also got the blue and the yellow, kind of exclusive colors for the M4 and M3s. Touchpad controller. These will come with the fold down seat standard also for a little bit of utility. Yeah, let's go into the driver's seat. Alright. Big, easy to read gauges, which is nice. Got the big Nav Screen, iDrive system. Got a 20 gig hard drive. BMW online services is also included too. Google search, Yelp, BMW News. Pretty much all the ones we have coming in now have got the carbon fiber trim. Got the black anthracite headliner, tradition. And the styling of the seats, the SO design, exclusive to your M3 and M4. Hey, if you guys like this, share it on your other media sources. Send it out to your friends. Just wanted to give you a quick shot, quick video of this color. I don't know when we're going to get another one in. Thanks for watching.